burned your face?
Because we fell asleep.
And
I
then
can't see what I'm videotaping
I
because
used
it's
it.
broken.
No, we fell
Well,
asleep
you
in the
shouldn't have broken
afternoon.
it.
I didn't
You have
break
a
it.
case for it?
Half my leg.
No.
You should
No, we
have
burnt
$20
the back of our
last
legs. Yeah,
time.
we got up. Yeah, we burnt the back of our legs and half my face.
Burn.
Okay, what did you burn?
That would suck.
Half my face and the
That was
back of my
fun.
legs.
Yeah.
Sarah called me at like 11:30.
Wow, that's a weird
She's like, let's go to the
position.
beach.
We fell asleep on our skirts.
What?
I went and I bought. It's not working.
Yeah, I'm taking a video, by the way.
I know.
Oh, you
I
know?
that.
Oh, well, sorry, you're a little
Can
gone.
I'd show you my magic trick, but I don't have my extensions.
Oh my god. You can use one of mine.
Can I steal him?
There you go. Oh my gosh, she's gonna show this.
I don't have it.
Yeah,
tried it
no,
like
wait,
4
it's too
times.
short.
Yeah.
In Secret Store one time.
Go.
1, 2, and
I was showing.
Oh
yeah, I was
god.
another one. That's
Okay. Sarah's magic trick. Ready for this?
Nobody's ready for this.
the premium tequila.
I don't think.
I don't get 11 for this?
Oh yeah, I'll go get it.
Yeah, you
You
should.
guys want mine?
Ooh.
Yeah, I'm good.
Oh, Sarah's magic trick.
Hey guys,
Look, the phone is floating.
guys, look.
Jono, look. The
My
phone is
phone
floating.
is floating.
You got floaties?
Bottle cap. A bottle cap? Yeah.
Is that a string or
No,
like a hair?
I'm magic.
That's a hair.
Magic.
You're not so magic.